Okay, so Jacob Zuma will be addressing not the nation, but yeah, there will be a press conference as of tomorrow. Tomorrow is gonna be Sunday, the 16th of June, 2024. The significance on the state. I don't know if you know. Yeah, see the way Zuma does things. I'm starting to see a pattern. Why I'm saying that? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna read the letter where they spoke about the media briefing and everything that is gonna be happening and the venue and everything. But here's the thing: there is a pattern in how Zuma does things. Do you remember that when did Jacob Zuma announced Umkhonto wesizwe? I mean, sorry. When did Jacob Zuma announce that he was going to be he was gonna be affiliated, or he was going to vote for Umkhonto wesizwe? Do you remember when was that? Ah, guys, come on, you can't forget this one. Do you remember when was that? He made that crucial decision. That decision that shaped everybody in this country. Do you still remember when was it made? Hey, come on, guys. It was made on the 16th of December 2023. That is when Jacob Zuma announced that he is going to remain the member of the ANC, but he will vote for MK Party. MK Party has been given an advantage so far as the DA and the ANC coalition, and a lot of people are not aware of that. We will need to talk about that. But let's talk about the significance as well of Jacob Zuma announcing the press conference and addressing people on the 16th of June 2024. What's the significance there? Well, there's another significance as well that I don't want us to just overlook this significance, and it is this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. So okay, now let me read the letter, and then we'll continue to have time and talk about it, and then yeah. In the letter, MK Party says, media alert, Umkhonto wesizwe, president, to address the nation. Event, National Media Conference. Speaker, Jacob Zuma, president of Umkhonto wesizwe. Date, 16 June 2024, Sunday, time 1400, that is 2 o'clock. Location, Johannesburg. Specific venue details below. But before we get there, I'm going to continue reading this. Guys, Bonja tomorrow, what happened? It's 16 June, right? 16, hey guys, there's significance here that I want you to Zuma marks these dates by making important decisions. You understand? 16 June, it was associated with what? Do you remember that? That it was a holiday, by the way, on the 16th of 16th December, if I'm not mistaken, was not a holiday, something around that. When he made it, the announcement somewhere in Soweto, right? There's also significance in why he made the announcement look at that particular venue or specific event location. Date and location matters if you're looking at this political thing, right? Do not undermine the date. Now, so an important decision was made then. The question is now, Zuma has been kicked out by a lot of this, the so-called DA and ANC coalition, which is look at the so-called government of national unity. They are closing EMK party outside, right? So I am saying to you the significance in the date and the time. The question that you have to ask yourself is what more important decisions will that Zuma will announce come 16 June. What is this most important decision that Zuma will announce on that day? But before we proceed talking about that, it says here, overview, President Jacob Zuma will address the nation on a pivotal media conference. Now, please note even the word pivotal media conference regarding the current political situation and an ongoing development in South Africa, covering a range of topics that are currently vital to the national discourse and the future trajectory of the nation. Media attendance, journalists interested in attending mass RSVP by for the accreditation details and venue specified will be provided upon confirmation of attendance. I should have been there, by the way. I only saw this thing later that accreditation should have been completed before 4 o'clock, and it's already after 4. But it's fine. I'll make a plan next time. Note editors, media representatives are requested to arrive at least 30 minutes early to complete security check. Q&A session will follow President Zuma's address. We look forward to your participation in this important event. End of the letter. Here's what I'm trying to here's what I'm trying to say to you. It is very important. And it is very, very, very important to follow this press conference, because even the letter tells you that we are going to address something very important concerning the situation that is happening. Now, let me just give you a glimmer of hope. Not a glimmer of hope. No, let me just give you some of the things that I thought, I think we are most likely to hear. Have you noticed the resignation of people left, right, and center? From ANC, from NFP, from IFP, in sympathy of MK Party. Right there, we should get the hint. And the question asked is, or should be, what are we most likely to hear then tomorrow? But I can tell you, and I still stand on my words. Whatever we're going to hear tomorrow, it's very important. Now, take a look at just on the comment section below. Just tell me what you think the announcement is going to be all about. I'm interested to read your comments. Till such a time, good people, please take care.